Hello and welcome back. We are really doing really fine with this tutorial already, and we still have mostly just 4 episodes already. And of course, a real Python tutorial wouldn't be enough without really digging into the Python standard library a bit. And we'll do it in somehow like 4 episodes. And in here you can see we have already the first one would be about the let's say there are some packages that are really useful. The first one is OS, next is regex, and internet and math in Python. So let's start with OS and the operating system interface. So here we have OS, and it gives us, and if we get the CWD, it gives us the repository where we are working. So I'm working in this repository. So we are in admin repos Python Ultimate tutorial. We can check the what we have in the, we can change the working directory, and we check which one I am in, and it is here in this directory. And now I can create a temp there, and we have a 256 output that says okay, you have done it. And here we can see as well the list. Let's say if 200 temp there. Oh, okay. We should have a 0 return value here. It did the temp there. The other one is 256 is that directory already exists. So make sure that the return value is 0 here. Return value must be 0 for their creation. So here we can check the functions of OS, and there are plenty of them. And we can see that it's quite useful library with a lot of functionalities. Can have some help OS, and we check the help, the official help you have with OS, and you can do it with any of the, let's say, the packages of Python. There's a full help around it, and you can check it out. You can do it for any package. We have also shutil, which is really important as well. We will also change the directory to our, okay, I will maybe clean this up, and we can change the directory with this one. So anyway, it will restart everything and it will clean everything, and that would, okay, perfect. So I am back to my directory, and here we can see that we can check the directories we have. Maybe we have also some can do some os.ls maybe. So ls, it's the terminal one, get ls maybe, or doc, you can see os Python for listing. There is the walk actually, and we will just use this one, listing directories folder. Here, list there. Okay, I just need the list there. So here we have another one. You can find it in the code. So list there, or maybe there's, yeah. So list there, we can check if we want some kind of, if we have this pedit or not. I had it in that temp directory of before. Here we can just use, okay, I can copy, for example, let's say I would copy the work file. And we can do all this from Python without using the terminal work file to work file.txt. So here it has returned, so it has been created, and here we can see that we have a work file that text normally, and it's in here. It's the first one. Here we can move this work file.txt to something else, like file.txt to work file.json, and here we don't have the text anymore. We have renamed this work file.json. Can use the wildcards, for example, can check all the files that are .py, and I have no one. Let's say .ipnb, that are Jupyter notebooks, and I have all the tutorials here, from the ultimate tutorial to the last one. The last one would be about virtual environments and packages in Python. For this standard official documentation of Python.